Hi everyone, here's all new Moto E5 Motorola phone. Just recently came out, so here it is. Let's see what's inside the box. There's a charger, usually battery, but already sticking in the phone. Charger, and then there's manuals right here. So here's all new phone. Let's see what's new about it and how it looks. Here's the back cover. It looks pretty slim, just like I think it's about the same size as Moto E4 previous model. Almost no difference. It's got advanced camera, I think, because of the flash, and it's a little bit battery quality. It's got battery than Moto E4. I don't know how well it's gonna work because still didn't use the phone. And it's got SD card storage. You'll need to remove that back cover to install it. And then it's got water coating on the back. Looks like for the back, looks like pretty nice. And then it's got an Android, so the newest one, 8.0, and then the newest CPU. It's 1.4 gigahertz quad core. It's got 2 GB of RAM and 5.2 inch screen. It's a pretty nice phone, like overall for 59 bucks. It works good. Just like basic stuff. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.